Chuck, and I'm with the Masters Lawn Care. Thank you for tuning in to our YouTube video on how to remove Program B from your irrigation controller. When new landscaping is installed, we actually set up a Program B in your irrigation controller. The reason for this is because we only want to water the new landscaping. Program A, which has your existing setting, we leave that alone. After the plants or sod is established, it is imperative to remove Program B from your irrigation controller. First off, we're going to start off with the Hunter controller here. When you open your controller, this is the typical faceplate. It's automatically set on run, or should be set on run. When you want to go to turn some days off for Program B, simply turn the dial to watering days. If you look closely, this is your program. Program A, and it's on for Tuesday and Thursday. If you want to decrease Program B, hit the program button, and you can clearly see it's on for 5 days a week. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it down to 2 days a week for Program B while we leave Program A alone. Turn Monday off, Tuesday is off, Wednesday we'll leave on, Thursday off, Friday off, Saturday on, Sunday off. So what I did is I'm hitting the minus button to turn a day off and the plus button to turn a day on. So as you can see on Monday, I turn it off by hitting the minus button. Tuesday, turn it off by hitting the minus button. If you want to turn all the Program B off, just simply keep hitting the minus button. Rainbird controllers, very identical to Hunter. We do the same thing. We take the dial, turn it to water days. As you can see, Program A. We want to go to Program B. Here's your program button. As you can see, Program B is now on the display, and it is watering 7 days a week. If you would like to take a day off, you simply hit the minus button. If you would like to keep a day on, you hit the plus button. If you would like to turn all of them off, simply keep hitting the minus button. The two most common brands, which is Rainbird and Hunter, regardless of which irrigation controller you may have, it's typically the same situation that you would deal with by turning days off on Program B. If you have any questions, feel free to call our office. Thank you for trusting us with your investment, and we look forward to serving you for years to come.